So weird, it's on my birthday to uni. Oh, where you going? Oh, just my birthday today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a uni get ready with me makeup video and an outfit change. Hope you enjoy. But you can actually just go to uni like this. But this is like a look when you're like, if you have somewhere to go afterwards or something like that, you know what I mean? This is a new palette, so I'm gonna use probably like a orangey, use these colors maybe. Tobacco powder, just to bring the look together. Highlight popping. So I've finished my makeup look now. Oh, excuse me. I need to jump her. You see the skin. Crop jackets and some jeans. A quick uni one. But you can wear the outfit. I prefer tucked in, or like more tucked in like this, or more like on the trippy side. Some white Air Forces. Can you imagine it? This is the kind of outfit you wear to uni on your birthday. There's a 2-piece cord. This. It's like I so wear this on my birthday to uni. Oh, where you going? Oh, just my birthday today. Oh, where you going? Just going to uni. See you later. You can rock this outfit with some nice black shoes with white soles, or some classic Air Force Ones. Like, sponsor me. You can wear with this. You can super tan. Yeah, you're gonna be really warm with this, just to prepare you. It has some like nice contrast, like knitting. nice autumn jacket. I think this is like one of my favourite jackets. Autumn. So I finished my triangle, my uni outfit triangle. Now I need to pack it all up in my cupboard.